Jai
Okay.
Jinendra, recording
Yes.
started.
Good. Jai Jinendra, everyone. Welcome to this first of your trial rounds for JAP tournament. Very excited to have you all over. So I believe it's the senior team for UK and Kenya, both. So we started with the Namakar mantra, and we would like to also then say that, okay, this is virtual. We are all at our individual places. So hopefully we try and play fair, no cheating, no prompting from somebody else behind or having an open book. So just, we trust you're going to play fair. Let's keep it that way. And I'll just go over the rules and how the tournament is played, the rounds. So you have just a kind of an idea. I'm sure you have looked at the previous rounds and practiced also. So we are recording this, and it's live on YouTube, and we'll send the link soon. But please don't, so you don't have to record on your side. And like I said, no external assistance. The participants, we would like for you to keep your video on at all the times. You could have some substitutes on your team, so they would have to keep their video off when they're not actually playing the match. But all the participants keep their video on. The captain of the team wears a cap. And Rajbhai, you've done the formatting, right? With the name and everything set up. So that should be good. The coaches, the coaches and the substitute, please keep your video off. Only the participant and the moderator will have their video on. So just follow that. I will briefly go over how the tournament is conducted with the rounds, just similar to what you might have seen on the trial ones. There are 3 rounds. Round 1 is the individual team round. So we have 10 questions per team. We will have a coin toss in just a little bit here, and the team to go first will be team 1. There'll be 10 questions designated to that team. If they answer that correctly, it'll be 20 points for them. If they do not answer correctly, of course, they lose 0 points, no points. And the question then can go to the second team. They can steal the question. If they know it, they can answer. If the answer is correct, they get 10 points, and they do not lose any points for incorrect answer. So these would be individual questions. Now, the participants are placed separately remotely. So you can, from that team, when the question is asked, you can discuss amongst you all openly. So you could just talk amongst you all, and when the answer is ready, when you all finalize it, the captain of the team can then call out on the person who's going to be answering. So you are going to designate whoever is going to answer, and you will say that I designate so and so to answer the question. That's when the question will be answered, and we will take into account the answer at that point. So please don't just jump in and answer. That would not be taken. I mean, we'll have this trial round, and you'll get to know it better. But you can openly confer it. Same thing can be done by the team that steals the question. Once it's to you, to your team, you can openly discuss and then answer it. The time is of a concern, so just follow that you stay within the time constraint, because it'll go by fast. So you'll have to be really quick on thinking and discussing. So 10 questions for team 1. At the end of it, we'll start the 10 questions for team 2, and that will conclude round 1. After that, you can have substitutes for your team if you wanted to change over any participants, and then we can start round 2, which is a buzzer category round. So buzzers will be used in this round. It's a category round in which we'll have a category assigned for the few questions. And we will call out before the questions that the first 5 questions are from a category related to Tirthankars. So all the answers will be pertaining to Tirthankars. So that's your cue that, okay, this is the category. And the questions will be started as the moderator reads the question. At any point, if you feel like you got the answer, you can buzz in. And the participant to buzz in, if they answer correct, it's 20 points. If they do not answer correctly, they lose 20 points, and the question then can be stolen by the next team participant. So the same team participant cannot buzz again. and it'll be by the next team. They can buzz if they know it. If it's correct, they get 10 points. If they do not answer it right, they lose 10 points. So that's the category round, and there'll be 15 questions for this round 2 category round, and it's a buzzer round. The third round is also a buzzer round. It's a grab bag round. There'll be 15 questions in that as well. Same thing, where question will be read initially. These are a little bit longer questions. They'll be read, so listen to it well. The first person to buzz will go ahead. When you buzz, there'll be multiple people that can buzz at the same time. So just because you've buzzed, don't start answering. You can buzz and wait to be called, because could somebody before you could have buzzed earlier. And so please don't start answering just when you buzz. Wait for your name to be called out. The moderator will see who was the first one to buzz in and will call out. And then you can give out your answer. If you answer it correctly, it's 20 points that you get. If you do not, you lose 10 points. And then the question can be answered or buzzed by the opposing team participant. They can buzz if they know it. If they answer correctly, it's plus 10. If they don't, again, it's minus 5 points. So there'll be 15 questions for that. There could be some long questions where they can have multiple answers. And so we will specify ahead of that question that this is a 2-part question, or this is a 3-part question. So that does mean that it involves 2 answers or 3 answers respectively. So just make sure, be aware of that. And when we ask a question, and if the answer is in the question along with any other answer, then it is considered as extra information, which we are not looking for. So we do, and then you can lose points for that. We do want you to just answer the specific answer only. But along with the correct answer, if there is multiple other or one extra other answer, then you could lose point for that one. So just make sure you answer to the point only. Those are the 3 rounds that we go through. And again, after each round, you can substitute. At any point while we are in any of the rounds after the question, if there is any disagreement or protest, the captain can call out a protest, which will be noted and discussed at the end of the round. So protest could mean if there is something that you don't agree with, then we can talk it out. So that's explaining the tournament, and it would be good to just play through this one trial match. At the end of it, you may have some questions. It may clarify some of the doubts that you may have had. So let's play this and see how it goes. It is just a friendly trial match, and we are just hoping that this helps you prepare in your final tournament. So please just take it easy, and feel free to ask us questions at the end of it. Okay, I think captain, we have to have one captain for the each team. We in order to differentiate, we've asked the captains to wear a cap, so we know it. If there is something that you have, something like a cap, hat, you can put it on, so that way we know who's the captain. And one other thing is the moderator will speak slow and clearly. So please try to listen, because the questions are not repeated. So if there was something that was not clear, and if you say, can you please repeat? Generally for the tournaments, unless there is some extreme glitch that we all have had, we would not repeat the question. So please try to listen to the questions as intently as you can. That's all for this one. Next slide, I think, is the coin toss, Rajbhai, that we can get started. Or did we miss anything?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Go ahead. You can call out a team and flip it.
Oh, I already, okay.
You can start again.
So, yeah. Team London, you want to choose head or tail?
We'll choose heads.
Sorry?
Heads.
Heads, okay. Meanwhile, Harshbhai or Megaben, can you get us the Buzz-in live code?
I got that Buzz-in live code. You want me to put it in here?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
So it's tails. Okay. So Kenya get to choose. Are you gonna play first, second? Kenya team.
Bina, you can decide as the captain.
We play second.
You'll play second. So London team 1 and Kenya team 2.
All right. Good luck, teams and participants.
Okay. Oh, did we want the Buzz in live code? Or
Yes, please. Yeah, I'll share it here in the chat.
It's 331696.
Okay, you want to get started, Harshbhai?
Yeah. Just before we get started, do you want me to put everybody in a team for the buzzing so I know where everybody is, or do we want to just do round 1, round 2 first? I mean, round 1 for each team first.
Let's do round 1.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
We can get started. Okay. Okay, Jai Janendra, everyone. I'm hoping everybody can hear me clearly on this.
Before
go
we
ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Coaches and participant who are not playing this round, please switch off your videos. Only
Okay, so-
participant and moderators will be on this video. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so yeah, Sunil Bhai is there. He'll be keeping time. So we have only 3 participants from Kenya and 4 from UK. Is that right?
No, we have 5 from Bina. We got Bina, Aarti, Beju, Anjali, and Kirti Daben. We got 5.
Okay. Yeah, they didn't have videos on, so that's why I was counting.
Yeah,
only
the
four.
videos are
Okay.
now on. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we have 5 from Kenya and we have 4 from UK, as I see. Right? Okay. So the captains from Kenya are Bina Ben, and from UK is Rita Ben. Okay. Okay. So I will try my best, like Shweta Ben said, to speak slowly. We will try and play where we don't repeat the question. So just like it is in the real match. And I'm hoping everybody can hear me clearly. And we would like all participants to unmute. So we don't want you to be on mute at all. So it's just easier. Otherwise, you have to go and spend time in unmuting. And
With
Aarti,
the exception that if you have some background noise, yeah, you're allowed to keep the mute.
oh,
Yeah.
okay. Do we have some background noise on somewhere?
If we get it at some point, yeah.
Okay.
Can we just have everybody unmute and then we can ask them, Rajbhai,
Yeah.
if you hear something?
Yeah, that's
sure.
right. That's
Okay.
what we'll
So
do.
let's do that. And then I didn't get to introduce, but Harshbhai is our moderator today. Him along with Meghaben, who's also there today, they help us on the national admin team also. And Sunil Bhai is here. He is with our global team and he's going to be doing the timekeeping and scores. Rajbhai, you're going to be doing the scores, or is it?
Yes,
Okay,
I'll be.
so
yeah.
Rajbhai will be doing the scores and we'll share the scores at the end of each round. So sorry, Harshbhai. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, so first, I just want to make sure everybody can hear me clearly. If anybody cannot, please speak up. If not, okay. Okay. So there will be 10 questions in this round. And like Shweta Ben said, this is first round is for Team UK. And if you do not get the answer, it will be given to the second team, Team Kenya, if they decide to steal or not steal. Okay, are we ready? UK team? Okay, Rita Ben? Okay. Sorry, the other thing I don't know if Shweta Ben mentioned is Rita Ben should be answering all the questions, or she can designate somebody else to answer as a captain. So since she's the captain, right? So she has to answer, or she has to say, okay, somebody else, for example, Rajiv Bhai can answer, or whoever can answer.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So so once we've discussed, I can just say who will answers. Okay.
Yeah, you can say the answer, or you can say who will give the answer.
Thank you.
Right. Okay. So question 1 for team 1. Recite the prayer whose meaning is, I bow to the feet of the holy teacher who explained the true nature of the soul. Without its understanding, I suffered infinite misery.
Rita Ben, it's
Answer,
Jay Sarup Samajya Vina Pame Dukhanand. Samajute Pada Namo, Sisa the Guru Namo.
Okay.
Yeah, she said the Guru Bhagavan, but yeah, I'll take that. That's correct. That's correct for 20 points. Okay. Question 2. Ekindriya Jeeves possess 4 Paryaptis, and Beindriya, Trendriya, Chaurindriya, and Asanjani Panchindriya Jeeves possess 5 Paryaptis. What is the 5th additional Paryapti?
Is it speech?
That's correct.
Oh, sorry. I was, yeah.
Yeah, that's correct for 20 points.
So Rita Ben, you will have to answer. You cannot ask us the question.
Yeah, I know. I gave that to her, but yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Okay, question number 3. Rearrange the following in chronological order: heap of jewels, sun, moon, ocean.
આવી રીતે છે ને moon, sun, ocean ને heap of jewels, નહીં ને? What do you think? Jignaben, Rishna?
Yeah, I'm not sure with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Answer, please.
Okay, Rishna પૂછે, like લ્યો. Okay. Moon, sun, ocean, heap of jewels.
That is correct. Sunil Bhai did say time, but I gave you an additional second to answer because we should say answer, please. Actually, I think that's what Sunil Bhai meant to say.
Yeah, well, I thought that she was already answering the question, but she was.
Oh,
actually
yeah, she
asking
was
the other
conferring.
thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's okay. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Question 4. The Ashtikagram villagers warned Mahavir Swami of which wicked yaksh who would torture any traveler?
Salapuni,
ક્યુ છે? મને નથી ખબર.
Time.
Salapuni.
Yeah, that is correct. I will take that. It's Sulpani, but I know what you meant. Yeah, that's correct for 20 points.
Hold on, sir. So it was already time. After
Yeah,
that,
but I know he had answered before that.
He had
So I was
answered.
but
and
he was not
actually,
designated. Yeah, he was not designated also.
that is true. So just to clarify, I know it's trial, but Sunil Bhai, can you say answer please at 7 seconds so they know that they have to
I
designate?
thought you already answered. So can
Oh,
you
okay,
give
okay,
us,
okay.
Rita, can you make sure that you designate somebody so that we
Yeah.
know, or
That's true. Sunil Bhai is right. So the way it should really happen is when I finish the question, Sunil Bhai is starting a timer, right? He will give you 10 seconds to answer. But at 7 seconds,
That's
he's
fine.
going to say, sorry, go ahead.
It's 5 and 7.
Oh, sorry, 5. Okay, 7 seconds to answer. And at 5, he will say answer, please, right? Okay, so when he says answer, please, Rita Ban as the captain, you have to either answer it or you have to say, I designate it to somebody else.
Okay.
And then that person has to.
just a clarification, it's 5 and 10, right, Shweta?
Yeah, it's 5 and 10, I think, for
global, it's 5 and 10.
global.
Oh, wow. Okay. I
Yes,
was not aware
that's
of
true.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's 5 and 10. Yeah. So when Sunil Bhai says answer, please, at that point, the captain has to designate the other person or the captain has to start answering. Because once he says time, that's the end. We don't accept anything after the word time.
Okay.
We are playing a trial game, so we are letting it go. But that is the real rule.
We are learning as well. So.
Yeah, that's fine. That's completely fine.
That's what the trial is for.
Yeah, that is exactly what the trial is for, right? Okay, so moving on to question number 5. For 4 points each, give 5 subtypes of antray or obstructive karmas.
It is Dan, Lab, Bhog, Upabhog, Virya. Yeah, you all agree? Okay,
Yeah.
Dan, Lab, Bhog, Upabhog, Virya, Antra.
Correct. That's correct. That's correct for 20 points. Okay. So just to clarify right here, right? Rita, when you said those were the 5, but you were kind of asking your team members if they all agreed. And then you said, yes, that's the answer. So before that time, if Sunil Bhai did not, the time had not elapsed. So it's completely fine. Otherwise he would have said, right? Answer please or whatever.
Can you just say that you are asking a question to your team member so that we know? Otherwise we think that you have already said something.
I see.
I think let's do this. Rita Ben, when you can discuss, when you're ready, you can say the answer is, and you can start answering. So we know
Great.
that you are now answering us and not discussing with your team. So that might be a little helpful.
That's a good point, Shweta. Yeah. Okay. Question number 6. This is a math question. Add the number of Yati dharmas to the number of Guptis. Give the corresponding Tirthankar's emblem.
Pig છે ને? Do you agree?
Yes, sir, please.
Bhagwan? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Pig as an answer.
Okay, that's correct. That's the correct answer. Pig boar or pig. Question number 7 for team 1. What is the name of the tree that is located in the center of the Samvarsaran, which is created for a Tirthankar sermon after he attains Kevalgnan?
Ashoka tree. તમે agree કરો છો?
Yeah.
Yeah. Answer is Ashoka tree.
Yeah, that is correct. Question number 8. This is a fill in the blank. Digambar monks use a blank instead of an ogo.
Peacock feather, Rita Ben.
હા. So તમે answer કરો.
Yeah, so the answer is peacock feather.
Okay, that's right. Or more peachy is correct. Now, I did not say that answer in Indian language, so I'm accepting peacock feathers. If I said answer in Indian language, then you would have had to say more peachy. But since I did not, both of them are correct. Question number 9. For 5 points each, name the 4 disciplinary vows or shiksha vrats.
એમાં પોષદ વ્રત આવે, બીજું કયું આવે?
Answer, please.
Okay, જલ્દી કરો. Okay.
Samike. Samike.
પોષદ વ્રત, સામાયિક.
Atiti Samvibha.
Sorry, missed it.
Okay, so your answer is incorrect. And when I say incorrect, it means it could be partially correct. So we are going to give it to the Kenya team if they want to steal that answer. They have 4
And you have
seconds.
5 seconds to answer.
We can steal it. Can I say?
Sure.
Samike Paushad Vrat, Desavagasic Atiti Samvibhag Vrat.
Okay, so as a steal, Kenya team had to answer the entire question correctly to get partial points. So UK team answered 2 correctly, so they get 10 points. And because the Paushad you said, sorry, I think Atiti Samvibhag you said after the time was up. So Samaik and Paushad you got correct. That's 10 points. Kenya team gets 50% of the remaining points. So Kenya team will get 5 points on this, since they answered all 4 correctly.
Also, Rita Ben, once you start answering, as said, this is the answer. Nobody else should be prompting you, or nobody should add the answer, right? So once the final
Actually,
answer,
let's clarify this, because in real jab we are next to each other, so we don't talk. But in here, are we allowing them to confer or not to confer?
confer, yes, but if the final answer is being spoken,
Yeah, that's true. Then you cannot answer.
then
That's right.
not prompt.
They cannot prompt.
Yeah.
Okay, you're right. You're right. Okay. Now, last question number 10 for team 1. This is a 2-part question. Name the object in front of a Digambar temple that brings an end to ego. Name the Gandhar whose ego was dispelled when he met Bhagwan Mahavir for the first time.
Second one નો ગૌતમ સ્વામી છે. First one નો શું છે? ખબર છે
Answer,
કોઈને?
please.
ના? Okay, ગૌતમ સ્વામી second answer.
Okay, so that answer is incorrect. Kenya team, would you like to steal?
Manastham and Gautam Swami.
That is correct. So the first part was Manastham, second part was Gautam Swami. So team UK will get 10 points and team Kenya will get 5 points on that. Okay, now we'll go to 10 questions for team Kenya. Okay, are we ready? Okay, Rajbhai, you
Yes.
got the scores done for the team UK round?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. So the first question for team Kenya. Recite the sutra which asks for universal forgiveness.
Kamemi Sava Jive, Save Jiva Kamantume, Mitime Sava Bhuesu, Veram Majana Kenai.
That's correct for 20 points. Question number 2. Give the meaning of the quote Parasparo Pagraho Jivanam.
All souls are dependent on each other, meaning all souls are in welfare of each other.
Sure. We have the answer in the manual, living beings render service to one another, but it's the same. It's the same thing what you said. So that's 20 points for Team Kenya.
Also,
Question
one
number.
more thing, Harshbhai, Binaben, same thing like for UK team, before you answer,
Oh, that's
just
true.
say the answer is, so that way we know you're
Answer
not
is.
conferring or so. No, that's fine. It's just sometimes it's difficult to know if you're discussing with your team or answering. So just start with the
I will
answer
say
is.
discuss and then answer. Okay, is that okay? I'll say discuss. So we are discussing with answer.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Okay.
fine. That's fine. Yeah, sure. All right. Question number 3. Which one does not belong here and why? Apurva Avsar, Mokshamala, Samay Sar, and Atma Siddhi Shastra.
Samay Sar, because the other 3 are by Srimad Rajchandra, and Samay Sar is by Kunkundacharya.
Okay, that is correct. You didn't say answer, please, but I knew you were answering.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's fine. That's correct. That's correct for 20 points. Question number 4. What bhavana is this? Know and realize that your life and relatives are only temporary.
Answer, please. Time.
Internet is gone.
Okay.
Sorry.
I could not hear that, but time was already called. So we're going to have to give that to UK team if they want to steal the answer.
Ritaben, Anitya?
Yeah. Ha, karo. Raju.
Yes, the
Internet
answer is
has
Anitya
gone.
Bhavana.
Sorry, I'm so sorry, but the internet went. Can you please repeat the question? My internet was gone totally.
Oh, okay. We've already got the answer, but I'll repeat the question. The question was, what bhavana is this? Know and realize that your life and relatives are only temporary.
Internet had gone totally. I couldn't hear the question. Please repeat, if you don't mind. It's
No,
a
no,
trial run.
I know. I am repeating.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
I
Go-
was repeating.
Go ahead.
I
sorry.
said, what bhavana is this? Know and realize that your life and relatives are only temporary.
Sansar Bhavana?
No, so that answer is incorrect. UK team, I also already answered correctly. Anitya Bhavana, that is the correct answer. So UK team will get 10 points and Kenya will not get any points on this. There was some echo coming, but I think it's died now. So I'm not sure who that was. But I think it's clear now.
I think because the internet went here. Yeah.
Oh,
internet.
okay.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. So this is fine. It's a trial round, so we are doing fine. But obviously, in the real match, we would not be able to repeat these questions. But yes, in this round, it's completely fine. All right. Question number 5. In which life of Bhagwan Mahavir did he gain Samyaktva?
As Naisar in the first life.
Is that your final
Is that your
answer?
In the first birth as Naisar, it got Samyak Darshan.
Right. I was asking, is that your final answer? But yes.
Final
it
answer.
is.
Sorry. Answer.
Yes, that is the correct answer. That's 20 points. Question number 6. For 4 points each, give the 5 subtypes of Gnanavarniya or knowledge obscuring karma.
Answer is Mati Gnanavarnya, Shrut Gnanavarnya, Avdi Gnanavarnya, Manaparya Gnanavarnya, and Keval Gnanavarnya.
That is correct for 20 points. Question number 7 for team 2. This is a math question. Subtract the number of kashais or passions from the number of attributes an upadhyay has and give the corresponding emblem of the Tirthankar.
Team.
Can I?
Answer, please.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
Can you say?
Ketida.
Yeah, it's Naminath
Time.
Bhagwan.
No, that's fine. She was talking. Go ahead.
It's Naminath Bhagwan, and the symbol is Tong. Sorry, it's a lotus, green lotus.
Okay, that answer is incorrect. I'm going to give it to Team UK if they want to steal.
Yeah, it is Blue Lotus. Oh,
That is the
Blue.
correct answer. Now, the one thing that you have to remember in
Lilo,
this,
no, because in Gujarati it's Lilu Kamar. That's why I was
I
Lilu
thought it
Kamar.
would be Neil Kamal, no? I could be
No.
wrong.
Lilu Kamar. Because when I'm reading from Gujarati, it's Lilu Kamar. Yeah, that's why. Sorry, it's okay.
But one other thing I wanted to point out is the question did not ask for you to give the name of the Bhagwan.
Oh,
The question was only to give Blue Lotus. So in this round, it is fine. But in other rounds, when it's buzzer, if you give extra information, that entire question will be considered incorrect.
okay.
So in the buzzer rounds, you have to give only the information that is asked. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in this one, Team 1 Kenya gets 0 and UK gets 10. Question 8 for Team 2. What are the 12 unique attributes obtained by Tirthankars called?
They're called Ashtpratiharya.
Okay, I am not sure about that, so I'm going to ask Team UK. You may be right, but I'm going to ask Team UK on that.
Anyone? મને નથી ખબર.
Atishay છે, Atishay.
હા, કરો એ, હા, મને લાગે.
The answer is Atishay.
That's what I have, but I'm going to defer to Shweta Ben and Sunil Bhai if Beena Ben's answer was correct or not.
So our manual has it as Atishay. So
Yeah.
that's what we would go. It may have been mentioned differently somewhere else, but it does say Atishay.
It is
And
Atishay.
Harshbhai, yeah, Pratiharyas are 8. We had asked specifically for 12
For
attributes.
12. Okay.
Correct.
So it has to be
Okay.
Atishay's.
Okay, thank you. So again, so in this example, UK gets 10 for this question and Kenya gets 0. Okay, question number 9. To attain the status of Ganipad, what must a sadhu have?
He must read the Bhagavati Sutra.
Okay, that answer I'm going to give as incorrect. Going to move to Team UK.
Anyone wants to answer?
I can give it a try. They should have known, the answer is they should know the Desvekalik Sutra.
Okay, no, that's incorrect. So I'm going to give Team Kenya 10 points on this. So in our manual, it says to attain the status of Ganipat, a sadhu must have in-depth knowledge of Agam Bhagavati Sutra, which is what you said, also some other agams. So this is, I'm splitting this up into 2 parts to say, okay, Bhagavati Sutra was answered. So that's why I'm going to give you 10 points. And UK team did not answer it correctly. So if any other admin member wants to say otherwise, please speak up now.
What was the answer? What was the answer?
So the answer is Agam Bhagavati Sutra and some other agams.
Okay.
No, I think
So
you're right, Harshbhai. That's okay. Partial is good because
Okay.
Bhagavati Sutra by itself is not the only answer. So it
Right.
has to have the other agams.
Okay. Okay. All right. The final question in round 1 for Team 2 for Team Kenya. In Indian language only, name any 3 essential observances out of the 6 Avashyaks of Digambar tradition.
There's Dev Puja, Guru Pasti, and Swadhyay.
Is that your final answer?
Answer yes.
That's correct. That's correct. No, it was Guru. She's right. Dev Puja, Guru Upasti, and Swadhyaya is correct. And the other 3 were Sanyam, Tap, and Dan. So Team Kenya will get 20 points for that. So that's correct. Okay. I don't think there were any protests in this round, so we can go to the score, Rajbhai, for this round. Okay,
Sorry,
so
the team UK gets 310 points and Team Kenya gets 240 points in round 1. Well played.
okay. And we got 100 points from before, right? So that's how it becomes 310.
Yeah,
And
100.
240.
We start with 100.
Yeah,
yes.
we start with the 100 points. That's right. Okay. So now we'll move on to the buzzer category. And so for that, some people have already joined, but I think some people are disconnected. So I don't know, is anybody changing? Is anybody substituting in the buzzer round, or do we have everybody here?
No, we have no substitutes from Kenya.
Okay, so for Kenya, could you please, Beena Ben, could you please say Kenya dash Beena? And I only see Anjali Ben and Beju Ben. That's it. I only see 3 buzzers for Kenya.
No, I have mine. I'm already in.
I think you don't have a name. Are you? You didn't join with a name.
No,
I
I
think
did.
maybe that's.
Oh,
So you'll have to
don't
have
know.
a similar name on Buzzing Live also.
For your screen, just like you have for your screen.
so how do I put the name? Because I joined in through the, can you please give me the, because when I put the code 331696,
Yeah.
so where do I put the name? Where do I put the name?
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, 33. Okay, I'll put 33169. What is it? 33169?
696. Yeah.
696. Okay, and I'll put my name. Sorry, I
Yeah.
thought I did, but I'm sorry.
No problem. So I'm just going to assign everybody to the teams, and then we just test it out to make sure. Okay. So we have 4 from Team Kenya. Right? Yeah. For Team UK.
Yeah,
Okay, you guys didn't prefix by UK, but that's okay.
Kenya should have 5.
Kenya should have 5.
We have 5.
Bina, you have written only Bina.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Aarti Ben is also written only. No, who else is not written?
Aarti.
Yeah, I got her.
I'm Kenya.
Beju.
I've written Kenya.
So
Yeah.
Harshbhai, it's
Yeah.
Beju, Anjali, Aarti, Kirtida, and Beena.
Okay, Beju.
Yeah.
2, 3. Yeah. I got all of them. Okay, it's all good. Okay, and now for UK, let me get
Rest all.
everybody for UK. The rest should be UK.
So that's Reshna, Rajiv Bhai.
Wait, Megha Ben is disconnected. Oh, that's our Megha Ben. Okay. Reshna, Rajiv Bhai.
Jigna Ben,
Yeah, I got her.
and myself.
And Rita. I
Rita.
don't. Yeah, there you go. I see you. Yeah.
Rita.
Okay. So I don't. Okay, okay, let me clear the buzzers. Okay. Now, can you buzz one by one? So I'll just say one person, that name, and can you buzz Rita Ben? Okay. Let me just go. Rajiv Bhai for UK. Yeah. Okay. Jigna Ben for UK. Okay. Wait, is everybody on? Okay, 1 second. We're missing Reshna Ben for UK. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, now for Kenya, Anjali Ben for Kenya. Okay. Beena Ben for Kenya. Yeah. Aarti Ben for Kenya. Kirtida Ben for Kenya. And Ms. Beju Ben for Kenya. Okay, all good. Okay, so just to clarify, in this round, the first person who answers one, so let's say somebody from UK buzzer, let's say Rita Ben buzzers, she will only be allowed to answer if she's the first person. If she gets it incorrect, they will get -20, and only the Kenya team will be able to steal the answer. UK team cannot steal the answer after that. So if she answers it correctly, she gets +20. If she answers it incorrectly, she gets -20. At that point, it steals. Kenya has a chance for me to finish the question and steal if they choose to. If they don't choose to, then it just passes. If they choose to steal and they get it correctly, they get 10 points. If they have it incorrectly, they get minus 10 points.
And from a time standpoint, I just want to clarify, once Harshbhai finishes reading the question, you will have 5 seconds to buzz in. If nobody has buzzed in, time will be called. If somebody has buzzed in and once Harshbhai designates that person, you will have 5 seconds in which to start answering the question.
Thank you. Yeah, so if somebody buzzes in, I will stop speaking and I will say, okay, so-and-so person, please answer. And at that time, Sunil Bhai will give you 5 seconds. If you don't answer within that time, it will be marked incorrect. And the answers to these questions are typically short. So it's, maybe 1 or 2 words. So of course, there will be not an opportunity to give more additional information. So you should not be giving additional information because then that would be considered incorrect. Okay, are the players ready? Everybody good to go?
One more thing, Harshbhai,
Yes,
let me
yes.
clarify, just based on our first trial match that we did. This is a new thing for you, the buzzer round. So careful, there is no conferring in this round. Whoever buzzes, you cannot confer or discuss with the other team. You just have to answer. And when you buzz, just wait to be called out by Harshbhai. They'll call out your name if you were the first one to buzz. There could be multiple buzzers. So just wait to be called out and then start answering. So those are just the 2 things. Thank you.
Yeah, good point. Thank you. Okay, so let's begin. So the first question in round 2, category round, the category is famous personalities. So the category is famous personalities. Question number 1. Name the brother who, according to Shwetambar tradition, had a sister that demonstrated the principles of Asuchi Bhavna to 6 kings and later renounced Bejuben, Kenya.
Malinath.
That answer is incorrect. I'll finish the question. And later renounced the worldly life.
Time.
So UK had a chance in this point before Sunil Bhai said time. UK had a chance to steal and give the answer, but they did not. Nobody buzzed. So
It was Malidi.
It was Malladin. Yes, that is the correct
Malladin.
answer.
Can you give me the code? I have lost buzzing. Can you give me the code?
Are you logged out of it? Yeah, you're disconnected. Okay.
Yeah.
It's 331696.
Thank you.
Okay, let me wait for you to join again. Oh, you joined as blank. Can you join as your name? Binaben?
Oh, sorry. Okay. How do I type the name? Okay. Three three one six nine six.
696. Yeah.
696 Bina. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so just for Veju and just to clarify, this said name the brother. So Mallinath is correct, but the brother was Malladin. So that is why. So Team Kenya gets -20, Team UK gets nothing. They didn't answer this question. Okay, question number 2. Dhangiri and Sunanda had an exceptional child who, as a baby, wanted to take Diksha so badly, he kept crying. Binaben?
Vajraswamy.
Yeah, Vajra Kumar or Vajraswamy. That is the correct answer. Here, Team Gina gets 20 points for that. Okay. I'll just finish the question. Who kept crying until his mother gave him away. He later grew up to be an acharya. Who was this monk? Question number 3. This man was the 9th Vasudev, considered an incarnation of Binaben, Kenya.
Krishna.
That is the correct answer. Considered an incarnation of Lord Vishnu in Hindu mythology and cousins with Lord Neminath. The answer is Krishna. Question number 4. Who told his mother this famous quote? Mother, I learned from Lord Mahavir that no one is young or old. I also learned Jignaben, UK.
Vajraswamy.
That answer is incorrect. Let me finish the question. I also learned that no one knows what is going to happen tomorrow. No one knows who will die first or last. So why wait and miss the opportunity which is available to me today? Anjali, oh no, Kenya cannot buzz. Sorry.
Yeah, Kenya can buzz.
UK was the first one.
Oh,
Rita
I'm
Ben.
sorry. I'm sorry. I messed up then. Okay, Anjali Ben. That's correct. So, you know, I have a team answered incorrectly here then. Who answered first? Oh, Jigna Ben answered. Sorry,
Yeah.
correct. I'm sorry. Yeah, so UK gets -20, Kenya gets +10. That's correct. It's Aimuttamuni. The last question in this category. This is a 3-part question. Name 3 famous Brahmin brothers who were performing a yagna when they noticed celestial beings passing after their ceremony to attend Mahavir. Kirtida Ben.
Indraputi Gautam, Agniputi Gautam, Indraputi, Agniputi, and Vasuputi.
That is incorrect. Binaben, you cannot buzz.
Harshbhai, I think it was correct.
Okay, I'll give it correct then. I think she said Vasubhuti, but it's Vayubhuti. But okay,
Oh,
that's
Vayu,
fine.
yeah.
It's fine. We'll give
Vayu.
it correct then. Okay, the 20 points to Team Kenya. Okay. So
Give me
who
a
attend?
minute. I blocked it again. Give me a minute.
No, Binaben, you buzzed. Hold on. I cleared it.
Okay, fine.
Can you buzz again, Binaben? Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Okay. Okay, so that's the first category. The next 5 questions, the category is the answer will begin with the letter S. S like Sankeshwar.
Sorry,
S.
S for sugar, you mean?
S for sugar. S
Okay.
like Sankeshwar. Yes, sure. Okay, so question number 6. The place from which Tirthankars preach religious sermon. Binaben?
Samavasaran.
That's correct for 20 points to Kenya. Samvasaran, where they preach religious sermons to the people. That's correct. Question number 7. This internal quality of Samyak Darshan means that one's only desire. Rita Ben?
Samveg.
Samveg is correct. One's only desire left is to achieve moksha. The correct answer is Samveg. 20 points to UK. Question number 8. It is a beautiful mark on Gina's chest as it was the Bina Ben.
Srivats.
That is correct. I'll finish the answer question. As it was the highest knowledge manifested from the heart of the Jina, it symbolizes the endless cycle of rebirth. The answer is Srivats. Question number 9. Which sutra do we recite that bows to all Tirthankars along with Lord Mahavir and all Tirth places where Tirthankars have attained Nirvana? Binaben?
Saklarhat Sutra.
That answer is incorrect. Time. Okay. The correct answer is Siddhanam Buddhanam. So -20 to Team Kenya on that and nothing for UK. The final question in this category. Which vitality gives a living being the ability to hear? Binaben?
The sense of hearing.
Okay.
It's one of the senses, so it's sense of hearing. Shrotendriya.
Okay. Meghaben, what do you think?
I'm sorry, Harshbhai. She mentioned, what was the answer given?
Okay, so the answer was given. Okay, hold on. Let me just give it to UK first if they want to buzz.
Yeah.
And then we'll dispute it. UK? Rajiv bhai?
Shrunoti, since the...
Okay, that is also incorrect. Okay, the correct answer we had, and which I should have mentioned, maybe answer in Indian language, is Shravanendriya.
Shrotendriya.
Shrotendriya is acceptable. Yeah.
Okay, So she said though, Beena Ben said sense of hearing. So it starts with the letter S, but
No.
but it's sense of hearing.
Yeah.
So I don't think that is
said
correct.
Shrutendriya. I also said Shrutendriya.
Yeah, she later added the Shrutendriya. Later at
Oh, she
Uh,
did later add. Okay.
But Beena Ben, for the purpose of game, we just accept the first answer that you give, first response that you give.
Right.
But
And
the
so we
question
can't.
was sense of hearing. S.
Yeah, this question could have said answer
Indian
in Indian
language.
language, but
Yeah.
with S, all senses come with S. So I think we'll have to give you -20 and give 10 points to UK on this one.
Shrutendriya, I answered.
but UK didn't
No,
get the
but
answer right, right?
Yeah,
UK got the
did
answer right.
not. No,
Oh.
they did not.
I thought Rajiv answered Shrutendriya.
No,
No.
No, he said
something else.
Shruti.
Oh,
Shrunati.
sorry. UK did not get. Okay. So then in that case, I think we're going to have to do -20, -10 on this. We'll be, well, I mean, technically, like I said, you can't give extra answers and you cannot give 2 answers, right? Like Megavan said, it's only the first answer that is accepted. So we'll have to do -20, -10 in this. Okay, we'll move on to the final category. The last 5 questions in this category, the category is called puja. Okay, question number 11. In Pindastha Avastha, what avastha is this where he renounced worldly power and luxury without any hesitation and became a sadhu?
Type.
Time. The answer is Shramana Avastha. So within Pindastha Avastha, Shramana Avastha is where the Tirthankar renounces the worldly power and becomes the sadhu. Okay, question number 12. This puja symbolizes the last birth. By doing this puja, one should strive to. Kirtitaban, Kenya?
Is it Vishthanak puja?
That is incorrect. I'll finish the question. One should strive to live life in such a way that the end of this life, one will be liberated and not born again.
Oh.
Time.
Beena Ben just buzzed before time, but you cannot because Kenya has got it wrong. But
Yeah.
Kirtida Ben knows the answer, so she can say it. She won't get points for it. What's the answer?
It's the fall puja. The fall puja, the final
No,
thing, like.
No, it is not Phal Puja.
Akshat.
It's Akshat Puja. That's right. It's Akshat Puja. That's correct. Phal Puja is the final puja, but the Akshat symbolizes the last life. So -20 for Kenya. Okay, question number 3.
Nobody answered. Sorry.
Kirtida Ben answered. Kirtida Ben answered first.
I answered. Yeah.
Yeah. She did. Okay. Question number 13. In Digambar tradition, name the alternative offering for Pushpa in Ashtadravya Puja. Anjali Ben?
Cloud.
That is incorrect. Time. The correct answer is yellow rice or saffron colored rice. Okay, question number 14. This pujan is performed for peace and to keep obstacles away during Pratishtha celebration of a Beena Ben?
Antray Nashat.
That answer is incorrect. I'll finish it. Pratishtha celebration of a temple or any great religious celebration. Rajiv bhai?
Snatra Puja.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is Shanti Snatra Puja. So it would be -20 for Kenya and -10 for UK. And the final question in this round 2 category is, where did heavenly beings take Bhagwan Mahavir for Janma Abhishek to take? Aarti Ben, Kenya?
Mount Meru.
Mount Meru is correct for 20 points. Binaben, you've been disconnected again, I think.
Yes.
331696, because you'll need the buzzer for the next category, next round as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So the score for UK in this round 290, as score for Kenya 250.
That's a close game.
Yeah, well played.
Well played. It's a close game. Okay. Binaben, can you buzz one more time? So yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, there are no changes. So we'll move on to round 3, which is the grab bag round. So grab bag, as the name symbolizes, they're just random questions. Some of these questions might be a little long. So we'll say if it's multiple part, we will say it as a 3-part question or 2-part question. In this round, the first team that answers, if they get it correct, they get 20 points. If they get it incorrect, they lose 10 points. If the second team decides to steal and they get it correct, they will get 10 points. If they get it incorrect, they will lose 5 points. The timing is the same. So Sunil Bhai will be again monitoring that. You'll get 5 seconds from when you buzz or when I finish the question. Are we ready? Okay. Question 1 in round 3. Answer in the Indian language only. Which one of the 4 auxiliary bhavnas stands for contemplations of friendship? Kirtitaben?
Friendship is Maitri Bhavna.
Yes, that is correct for 20 points. Yeah.
Hello.
Maitri Bhavna. I could not hear what you said after that. I think there was some echo coming from your side, Kirtitaben.
No, I just repeated. Is it?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
It's fine.
Because I
it's
thought
clear.
that you couldn't hear me. I think it's the internet. It's the internet.
Okay, no, I could hear you. Yeah, it's good. It's fine. Okay. Question number 2. This is a 2-part question. In the Indian language only, name the best and worst Lesha. Bejuben, Kenya.
Worst is Krishna Lesha, best is Shukla Lesha.
That is correct for 20 points. Question number 3. This is a 3-part question. List 3 categories that the lamp of an arti symbolizes. Bejuben, Kenya.
5 Parameshtis. Number 1 is the 5 Parameshtis. Number 2 is the 5 Mahavrats. And the last one is the liberation.
That is incorrect. I finished the question. So if UK wants, no, Kenya cannot buzz. Sunil Bhai, you're muted. Sunil Bhai, it's time, but you're muted. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's time. The correct answers were Panch Parmeshti and Mahavrat was correct, but the third answer was Gnan, or the 5 knowledge. Keval Gnan is Mangal Divo. So Kenya will get -10 for this. Okay, question number 4. This is a 4-part question. In the Indian language only, name the 4 characteristics of bondage. Binaben, Kenya.
Prakriti Band, Sthiti Band, Ras Band, Prakriti, Sthiti, Ras, and Pradesh Band.
That is correct for 20 points. Prakriti, Pradesh, Sthiti, and Ras. Yes. Question number 5. The first dream of a Tirthankar's mother is an elephant. What does the elephant's 4 tusks represent? Bejuben, Kenya.
The 4-fold sung.
That's correct. The 4-fold sung or Chaturvid sung. So Kenya gets 20 on that one. Question number 6. During the Parliament of World Religions Conference in 1893, who represented Jainism? Binaben, Kenya.
Virchand Bhai Gandhi.
That's correct. Virchand R. Gandhi. That's 20 points for Kenya. Question number 7. Who was the last Shrut Kevali of this current time cycle? Binaben, Kenya.
Bhadrabahu Swami.
Bhadrabahu Swami is correct for 20 points. Question number 8. Which out of the 5 essential activities of Paryushan means repenting our sins, forgiving? Rajiva, UK?
Pratyakhan.
That is incorrect. I'll finish the question. Okay, Binaben, Kenya?
Pratikraman.
That is incorrect. I'll finish the question now. It is repenting our sins, forgiving others, and requesting forgiveness from others. And so, Jignaben, you can answer, but you will not
Then
get points.
Michhami Dukram?
It is Kshamapna, or yeah, I would have accepted Michhami Dukram, but the answer is Kshamapna. So -10 for UK and -5 for Kenya on that. Question number 9. Who started the festival of Bhai Beej by calling her brother to her Ritaben?
Sudarshana.
Sudarshana is correct for UK, 20 points. By calling her brother to her house, and the answer is Sudarshana. Question number 10. Which Tirthankar idol is the Mul Nayak at Sri Taranga Tirth? Rajiv Bhai, UK?
Ajitnath.
Ajitnath Bhagwan is correct for 20 points for UK. Question number 11. Which deity is usually found at near the entrance of the temple?
Time.
That's time. And the answer is Nakoda Bhairav. Okay, question number 12. This sutra is recited as a part of Pratikaman Avashyak to repent for sins to all. Rajiv?
Satlak.
That's correct. To repent to sins for all living beings of the universe. And the answer is Satlak Sutra. And that's 20 points for UK. Question number 13. Who arranged for the installation of more than 100,000 Tirthankar idol? Binaben, Kenya?
Samprati Raja.
That's correct. And the renovation of 36,000 temples, King Samprati or Samprati Raja, that is correct. For 20 points for Kenya. Question number 14. Which mountain did Gautam Swami go to? Binaben, Kenya?
Ashtapad.
Ashtapad is correct. To pay homage to the 24 Tirthankars before offering key to 1500 hermits. The correct answer is Ashtapad. So 20 points for Kenya. And this is the final question in our match. Which Acharya's first name was Changdev and he had Binaben?
Hemchandra Acharya.
Hemchandra Acharya is correct for 20 points. And he had great influence over King Kumarpal. So that concludes our match. That was really well played by both the teams. Rajbhai will do the formality of sharing the score.
So we end with a very different numbers now. So UK ends at 340 and Kenya at 415. So congratulations to all the participants.
Thank you.
Both
it was
the
really
teams. Yes.
So yeah.
Good. Very, very, it got very close at one point. We were almost ready to have some tiebreaker questions ready for you guys.
Yeah,
but,
you can see at question 12, it was 355 to 340. It was extremely close at that point. Yeah.
We really enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
No, good match. Well played, all participants. I know it was getting you all trained in the beginning to say the answer is, which does take a while, and you just jump in to answer. Obviously, because you all are not sitting next to each other. So when you all are separate, it's very difficult. When you play the actual tournament, it's different because the team is collectively there together. So it's different. But you all got the hang of it. It was good. So nice, very well played. And
Shweta,